Okay, so welcome Year 7. I'm going to show you here how we use the rhythm options we've got here available for you and the C major pentatonic scale to go about writing a 4-bar phrase of melody for a 12-bar blues. So you can see here from the demonstration here that you can see this first 4 bars of melody here is repeated from the red box exactly in bars 5, 6, 7 and 8, exactly to create the second idea in the yellow box. And then this third idea in the green box is completely different from the first 2 phrases. So we have to be able to do that. So what you get asked to do here is to now go about writing your own phrase in your own note flight score for the blues. Now this option here says to help you, I've given you a number of rhythm options and each of these ideas is 2 bars long. We need to write a 4-bar phrase, so we need to pick, when you click on that example, that little hyperlink there, it'll take you to these riff examples, and here's one rhythm that's 2 bars long, and here's another riff that's 2 bars long. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use the rhythm of these ideas to create my own melody ideas that use the C major pentatonic scale. So let's, for argument's sake, say I'm going to choose rhythm 1, which is 4 crotchets and 4 quavers, and then 2 beats rest. And I'm going to use rhythm 2, which is a crotchet, 2 quavers, and a rest. Crotchet, 2 quavers and a rest. And I'm going to use the C major pentatonic scale. So here's my blues that all you guys have, and here's the first bar. So if you remember, I have to write using this idea. So let's go ahead and use the C major pentatonic scale, which will be a C, E, G, G. I'll use those 2 notes. And now I need to have 4 quavers. So let's click in that bar. Create the quaver rest, which is this thing here. If I just highlight over the top, it'll be a quaver. And now let's type in some more notes from the C major pentatonic. There's my first phrase. So you see 4 crotchets, same as that. 4 quavers, same as that. Now I need to use this phrase here to use the rhythm for my next 2-bar phrase. So I need a crotchet, let's say C, and then 2 quavers, which is this here. And I'm going to repeat that same idea in this bar over here. And there's my first 4-bar phrase. So what I want to do now is that we need to be able to create the second 4-bar phrase. The second 4-bar phrase is the same as the first. So I'm now going to go across, highlight my first bar, hold the Shift key down, click my 4th bar of melody, then use Command C, click in the 5th bar and Command V, and it pastes it. So now we have, just like the example, 1 bar, the first 4 bars and the second 4 bars are exactly the same. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down to the 9th bar and I need to use a rhythm that gives me a little bit of difference. I'm going to use rhythm number 5 to help me out. So let's use rhythm number 5, which is 2 minims, which is this one up here. And let's go, I'll go C, then maybe E, and then 4 crotchets. So C, A, G, G. Oops, should have done those as crotchets. Change them all as crotchets. C, A, G, G, and I'm now going to borrow the same 2 bars. I'm going to copy it, and I'll paste it there, and I'll finish it the same way. There we go. So now I have 4 bars worth of melody, exactly in the style of a 12-bar blues. So what I need you guys to go ahead and do is to use those resources that are given to you and complete writing your own 12-bar blues melody using C major pentatonic, the rhythm options, and use this as a guide, and then also use the video as a guide. Good luck with it. Looking forward to seeing what you guys produce.